Yeah, people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is beautiful Airport Road. Yeah, man, in Kingston. Some of us are showing how I'm going for Airport Road. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend about the channel. Yeah. So today is a day where they say we're gonna get hurricane. They say the storm is coming to Jamaica. So I'm gonna show you how the sky look right now in Kingston. Yeah, so the sky don't look too bad. The rain just go and drizzle and now, you see it, people. Yeah, the rain a drizzle though. Yeah, people, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Big up on yourself. Thanks to yeah, people, we're at the Norman Manley International Airport. Some of us are taking on a trip. I'm gonna see how in here look. Over there is the departure section. When you come in, you will go over there, so go check off and everything. That side, I know you're going. Very, very big place. Big and nice. Over there, so now you look like you change money. Like you can check your ticket right there. Check your ticket right there. Norman Manley International Airport. Yeah. Please remember to share up this video, people. Yeah, man, like it up. Share it to a friend. What you do? You take a picture? Eh? Hmm? Whoa, people like airplane thing there. But then can't get you up there. What a juice over this side there.
This is a tow-away zone. There is to be no parking or waiting in this zone. The other zone is for the unloading of passengers only. Stop or park will be towed away and impounded.
So this is the section now where the parking. There's no available parking spot, free parking spot nowhere about the place. As I go back on the highway, you can't find nowhere. You can't put up the sign saying no parking. So that's the thing over here though, you see it? Yeah, people, so when you see over here, it's very big. See this big sign over there to people? Norman Manley International Airport. See that over there? Yeah. And see which one, you see that place over there? Over there, so the entrance. And you would have to come out of your vehicle and get a ticket. Yeah, so it look like basically how long you park your car, you pay for. Although somebody tell me say 150 you pay still, that's it. See price there. First hour 150, second hour 300. No, you have to pay now, then you have to collect until you are ready.
Yeah?
Yeah.
bottom. You go in and put it in. So go, follow me. And you go in there and see one little something. Yeah, put it right there, so. Okay, go on now.
Look at it. Alright.
Everything
is changed, man. Okay, first. See, then do it that way here. The people, thank you very much for watching this video. This is the first time on the channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. And remember again, people, there's gonna be a link right here to watch the next video. And man, bless up on yourself.